Good morning, year ones, and today I am going to be teaching you another new sound. Today we are doing E. E. E, E, E. Good job. E, what can you see? E, what can you see? The boys in the tree are looking through their binoculars to see what they can see. I wonder what they can see. I wonder what you can see. E, what can you see? And it looks like this. Two letters that make one sound are called special friends. Good job. So we have got the letter E and the letter E. And together they make E. A bit confusing, but really, really easy to remember. E. E. E, what can you see? Good job, year ones. E, what can you see? Good job. E, two letters that make one sound are called special friends. Good job, year ones. Now I'm going to hide this sound in all of the sounds that we have been learning. So when you see it, you point and say found you. Good job, year ones. A, oo, qu, found you. We found E. Good job, year ones. Let's see if we can do it again. J, w, a, nk, ch, I. Found you. We found E. Good job. Let's see if we can do it again, but a little bit faster. Oi, y, z, o, x, r. Found you. We found E. Good job, year ones. Now I have got some green words here, and what we need to do is special friends, thread in our head, and then read the word. Are you ready? Special friends, thread in your head, read the word. E, 3. Special friends, thread in your head, read the word. Sleep. Good job, year ones. Special friends, thread in your head, read the word. E, C. Special friends, thread in your head, read the word. Bean. Good job. I have got some more here. Special friends, thread in your head, read the word. Special friends, thread in your head, read the word. Z, oo, zoo. Special friends, thread in your head, read the word. Dirt. Special friends, thread in your head, read the word. Play. Good job, year ones. I have got some alien words here now. Let's see if we can figure out their special friends. Special friends. Good job. This was a tricky one. Ch and E and F. Ch, E makes. Good job. Got another one here. Special friends, thread in your head, read the word. Dite. Good job. And this one, special friends, thread in your head, read the word. Quirp. What a load of nonsense. Well done. I have got the red words here now. Let's see if we can read these. He, put, of, I know, my, your, the, he, put, of. Good job, year ones. Now it's time for us to hold a sentence. So thread fingers ready so we can count the words in our sentence. Today, the sentence is, I need lots of sleep. 5 words are in our sentence today. Pinch with me. I need lots of sleep. I need lots of sleep. I need lots of sleep. Let's clap. I need lots of sleep. A little bit faster. I need lots of sleep. This bit faster than that. I need lots of sleep. Tell your grown up. Tell me. Let's clap it once more time. I need lots of sleep. Good job. So in this sentence, I need to make sure that I have got my capital letter, which will be the capital I. I need to remember my finger spaces, and I also need to remember my full stop. For today's sound, we also need to be including and making sure we are spelling correctly E. I need lots of sleep. Are you ready? Let's write it. I, which I know is up here, and that's what a capital I looks like. Then we need a, good job, need, N, E, D, need. Good job, making sure that you're using your thread fingers to help you. N, E, D. It's got our special sound from today. I need, finger space, lots, o, t, s, lot. Pinch with me, o, t, s, lots, o, t, s, lots. Well done. Then we have got a red word, but we have been reading this red word in our pack of the letter O and the letter F. I need lots of sleep. S-l-e-p, sleep. Pinch with me. S-l-e-p, sleep. And again, S-l-e-p, sleep. Good job. Let's see if we can write it. S-l-e-p. I've got my E sandwiches up there to help me. Am I forgetting something? Well done. I am missing my full stop. That goes at the end of our sentence. Let's read it. I need lots of sleep. And again, I need lots of sleep. Take a picture. Going to rub it out now. I need lots of sleep. It's your turn to write this now, year one. So what I would like you to do is, after you have written it, get your grown-up to take a picture and send it to the teachers in school. See you soon.